Mm. Test, test. Hello, hello. Hey guys, good to see you after a while with another live stream. I'm currently a little bit busy, so I didn't really make any live streams the last few days. Also, I'm a little bit sick. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but yeah, it's not perfect. A little bit. I think I caught a cold or something, but yeah, it is what it is. So just a few days without like the Q&A session, but still the live stream was running every single day as always, so you were able to at least see the trades and follow the account. And actually, it's not like too fancy what's going on in the account, because I think the last time I did the live stream, the account was also around 30k, and it is still around 30k. I mean, there are a few things that happened, of course, like few trades and stuff like that, but all in all, not too crazy. Yeah, but also I just I don't know if you guys realized or saw this. I just set up a Myfxbook because I don't know why, but many people were asking for it frequently. So yeah, I just created the Myfxbook because I have my Myfxbook account anyway. So I just listed this one account also, so I can show you this one as well. I don't really know why people were asking for the Myfxbook, because I don't think it offers any benefits, because I was sharing like all of the trades and everything on MQL5 already. So it's basically the same that you can see on Myfxbook. And also, I don't really know why it's not okay, with the key provided. I need to change the investor password, I think, for the trading privileges to be verified. But yeah, I don't know if I will do this. But yeah, you can see now I do have my Myfxbook. And yeah, besides that, we see a bunch of trades today, which is not too bad. Like, we have a really good USD Japanese yen trade here, which is 1 times the risk and profit. Then a good GBP US dollar trade, which is almost 0.5 times the risk and profit. And also gold is barely in profit, but still all of these trades are profitable currently, which is great. And then there are like the typical go long trades in US Tech, D40 and US30, but or like the German index, the D40 is a little bit more interesting today, because there are currently 3 trades. We do see one trade still from yesterday, which is here the turnaround Tuesday trade. Then we do see the go long trade from today, and we do see a third trade, which is the range breakout trade from today, which is currently short. So overall, it means that yeah, there is the go long trade, which is a long trade, and then there are 2 more trades which are basically hedging each other. So all in all, it's just the one go long position that is making the losses here right now in D40. But yeah, all in all, I'm happy for the range breakout trade, that it is hedging the turnaround Tuesday trade from yesterday. That's great to prevent some losses. So yeah, that's basically what's going on in the account right now. These are all of the positions explained. And as always, if you do have any questions about anything, let me know in the chat, and I will be glad to answer your questions. And besides that, yeah, we can just wait for around 20 minutes, and then the two trades in the currencies, so USD Japanese yen and GBP US dollar, they will be closed in about 20 minutes, and then hopefully with a profit, with the profit that they show at this moment, that would be really great. And besides that, as I said, I would just answer your questions if I can. And Bala is just starting his own trading account with bots this month. That's great to hear. I hope you will be very successful with it, but I'm pretty sure you will be if you did your tests and everything carefully. So yeah, it's great to trade with automated trading bots. For example, also what I just said, I'm a little bit busy this week and also sick, but still I can trade every single day because I don't have to sit in front of the PC, and I just can use the same expert advisors and programs that I use every single day. So it's one of the great benefits of trading, besides many others, of course. Like, it's really just very, very useful and helpful to trade automated programs. Also, if someone is interested about the FTMO, because usually there are some questions, I still have all of my accounts. This one is break even now. With the open positions taken into consideration. Is this one break even? This one is down 1.5% if I'm not calculating. If I'm calculating correctly, and this one is up around 1%, a little bit more. So that's really, really good. And I'm thinking about actually withdrawing from this account if it goes to like somewhere close to 2,000 euro in profit, because this month I didn't really had any profit so far with FTMO, and would be good to just get maybe a small profit out of it. But that's what I will decide once there's a little bit more profit, because right now like 1.5k is not so much. I mean, it's still good. Maybe I also withdraw a small amount, but that's the plan for that. What do you think about using neural network algorithms in EA? I don't have any experience with it, so I cannot really say a lot about it. Just what I saw is that most people who use neural networks don't really use it, and they just use it as a marketing term to sell their products. So that's why I'm a little bit careful with that. And I'm not really sure if it provides a lot of benefit or value at this point. But yeah, on the other hand, as I said, I don't have a lot of experience with it. And if you're interested in it, then make sure to go for it and do your own tests. Someone's asking, hi, I'm trying to copy your trades on XNES, but it's not working. Can you help me out? I don't really know what you want to do, but if you want to use my expert advisors, you can just download them from here. And you will also find all of the information you need on this webpage. There's a video explaining every single step you need to take. But yeah, just make sure to also do your own tests and think about what you want to trade, and don't just copy me, because I have actually no idea what is best for the future. For example, like the last, I think the last 3 months or so, I didn't generate any profits. So currently it's just going sideways. I mean, overall the account is still in a huge profit, of course, but the last few months were like really, like there was no high since July. So August, September. Okay, I mean, it's not too bad. It's just 2 months. But yeah, 2 months in a small drawdown. It's not really a drawdown, it's more a sideways period, but yeah, we can also see it here. Like, yeah, July already was like a not so good month. August was small profit, September small profit. But yeah, the last few months in general were not really super exciting. It's more sideways after all. Why don't you use multi-symbol EAs if you're worried about on-tick desync between? I don't really see a benefit in multi-symbol EAs. Why would I do it? I mean, I can just use EAs in multiple charts. Or what's the benefit of multi-symbol EAs? I feel like it just adds unnecessary complexity to the programming part. Oh, you mean for the backtest? Yeah, I mean, that's one argument, but also I'm not really I don't really see a problem in loading the backtest into the like quant analyzer, for example, to make the portfolio analysis. So yeah, I think for me it's fine to just use the EAs in multiple charts. Also, if you use the on timer function in the tester, I think it's really slow, isn't it? I think last time I did it was like super slow in the tester if you do it like every second or so. So that's not really yeah, efficient, I would say. Why don't you have almost any currency in portfolio? I just didn't find good settings or good expert advisors or strategies for most of the symbols. You can search for more stable parameter values by getting more trades. Yeah, maybe. But also if I just optimize and test every chart on its own, isn't it also good? I mean, I don't really see the... Yeah, I mean, I'm fine with using the expert advisors in different charts at this point. US30 short. Oh, interesting. $15s. Have you ever tried to focus on finding a mean reversion strategy? I tried it a lot of times, but I never really found anything that made me happy so far. I'm sure there must be possibilities to use mean reversion strategies, but so far I always had more success with breakout strategies, and that's why right now basically, yeah, like, I mean, I mainly use the range breakout EA in a bunch of different charts, and it's a typical breakout strategy. So yeah, with mean reversion, I never had any success so far. Are you still coding some new stuff, or you just same stuff since longer time? I'm not developing any new strategies for the last months, actually. So I'm just using what I already have right now. What's your most profitable symbol of all time, which you trade currently? I think it's probably one of the, I can look it up for you. think it's probably one of the no, I cannot look it up for you, but I think it's one of the indices with the go long strategy right now. Maybe US Tech. Yeah, I will look it up in the future, but right now I cannot really use my trade buddy. I think it's a Java problem. I will need to fix it before I want to upload the next monthly analysis. Yeah, actually, I don't know what the problem with Java is here right now. I think it is a Java problem. Yeah, I think I'm using Java 8 right now, which is not good. Path. Let me see. Java home set correctly. Java. Java path löschen. Is there any of your strategy using a trading stop? Yeah, in this account, the Ninja Skyper is using a trading stop, but it's also very unsuccessful right now, as you can see here. Or you cannot see it here, but if I show it to you, you can see it. Like it's currently just creating losses, but I think that's the only one where I use the classical trading stop, and I use break-even stops in a few of my accounts with strategies. But yeah, traditional like trading stop I only use with the Ninja Scalper, and it's not profitable right now. What kind of hardware do you use for testing? Just my laptop or my server if I do optimizations. Yeah, but it's not special. I mean, in general, if you want to have faster tests, of course, better hardware is better, but you can also do with any hardware pretty much. Davinex account exploded. Actually, I didn't check it for a while. I think it's not. I mean, it's going very bad for sure. What? Okay, I cannot connect to my server. That's bad. Okay. It's actually really weird. Let me try to log into my Davinex, and then I can show you. Davinex. Trading accounts, my accounts. Yeah, it's not going good with the Davinex. So you can see here it's down 20% or 200. But yeah, I talked about it before. Like there are a bunch of problems that I have with Davinex. Some of it was my fault, like not depositing enough money, so I don't have enough money for the margin. Some of the problems are, I would say, because of Davinex, because the broker is just really expensive. Which is not good anyways, but I think I will just monitor the account. It's a really small account, so it's not a big problem if I lose it. It's just a project that I wanted to do for a while, like checking out the Davinex, but currently I think for me it doesn't make too much sense maybe. But yeah, I don't know. I haven't thought about it too much. How did you figure out which parameter setting is the best? I don't know what the best settings are. I have absolutely no idea. But the settings I use now, I found them in the strategy tester and optimizer. Just a lot of tests. How did you break out with stocks account end up? Finish the challenge. Yeah, I won the challenge with the stocks breakout, range breakout EA account, but also in the end I added a few more charts like USD, Japanese yen and gold, and in the end they ended up making most of the profit, so I passed the verification. But the challenge phase I passed with the stock charts only, like the 4 stocks that I traded. Do you ever hedge your strategy to better mitigate risk? I mean, like breakout strategies on one account and mean reversion on another. No, as I said, I don't use any mean reversion strategy, but on my multiple accounts, I use different strategies or different settings at least. So that's how I distribute the risk a little bit. Do you have separate servers for every account? No. Currently I have 2 servers, and on both servers I have 3 MetaTrader running. The risk engine is weird sometimes too. For Darwinex, yeah, I don't really understand it, but I didn't invest too much time, to be honest. What do you think about trading costs in prop firms compared to regular brokerage? Is it affecting your overall edge? I think I have slightly higher costs in FTMO accounts. So far it's not really a huge problem, but of course it's not perfect. And especially if you're like swing trading and if you hold positions overnight, I think last time I checked, like the overnight fees are just crazy unfair with FTMO, I think. Let's compare this. Actually here it's similar now. I don't know. Last time I checked, I think it was a lot worse with FTMO. But yeah, I mean, I'm kind of good with FTMO right now. I'm making a lot of profit. I got a lot of money from them, so I'm at this point, I would say I'm happy with how FTMO is going in general. Yeah. I would still say like a traditional broker, or my traditional broker like IC Trading, has a little bit better like trading conditions in general, but also FTMO is working really good for me. I make a lot of money with it now, and I'm happy with that. If you use strategy tester to test blah blah blah, can you make a video on making Duke's copy same as FTMO? No, I don't want to make such a video, and I think it's not really necessary. If your strategy is not performing because the data is slightly different, then I would personally recommend to not use the strategy. Because if it's dependent on like a specific set of data, then it's maybe not really stable. Do you have any other job? No, I mean, I just do this. Hi, no to, I don't know what this means. Like, sorry for stepping private. No, it's okay. You can ask everything. I mean, I answered like most of the questions before about my work and everything. It's not really private. So yeah, now there are around 3 minutes or 2 minutes only left until the trades, like the range breakout trades for USD Japanese yen and GBP US dollar, will be closed, which is really good because USD Japanese yen is making a good trade today. Like 300 euro profit is good. It's more than 1 times the risk, which would be like really good. Yeah, the last few days were actually good with USD Japanese yen, and also GBP US dollar is profitable, which is good. I mean, it's not as much as in USD Japanese yen, but still, I mean, every profit is good profit. So yeah, that's really good. Just gold is unfortunate that it came back into the range, but also gold will be open for like 55 minutes longer than the currencies, which means that the losses can become even bigger, or hopefully the market turns around. Any reason why you use a virtual PC instead of the MT5 VPS? Yeah, that's the reason, because the MetaTrader 5 or MQL5 VPS is a complete shit. I would never recommend it. In my opinion, it's overpriced and it's complete shit. So that's why I'm a lot more happy with the normal VPS. And on the normal VPS, you can also do optimizations. You can run multiple MetaTrader 5 terminals. You can do everything you want. And on the MQL5 VPS, you cannot really do a lot, in my opinion. Okay, so it's 30 seconds until the trades will be closed. I would be happy with the current result in the currencies. Really, really good. And yeah, let's see if the trades can remain stable for the last 10 seconds, but I'm very optimistic. So 2 seconds, 1 second, and there we go. So trades are closed. Both trades in the currencies are closed, and it's a 400 euro profit, which is really good actually. So I'm happy with that. So now we do have the trades left in the indices, of course, and they will be open a couple of hours longer. And then also there's gold, of course. For gold, I hope that it can go back to the above the range to generate profits at the end of the day. But that's what I will have to wait for. And I think I won't keep the stream active now anymore. Just want to wait for the range breakout trades to be closed in the currencies. So yeah, that's basically it. I don't want to make this too long because I'm still a little bit sick and I don't want to overdo it. But thanks for spending a couple of minutes with me. I hope you liked the little insight. So I think I just showed like the count and the FTMO count, the update, so everyone can get the latest information from the stream. Actually, I want to have a look at the FTMO counts again, because some of the trades should also be closed here. But yeah, not a lot changed, I think, since last time, which is okay. And yeah, that's basically it for the stream. And now maybe I should check why I cannot connect to one of my servers. So yeah, hope you also generated some profits today. Oh, I mean, net profit, I'm actually negative because of the go long trades. But yeah, as I always explained, or as I explained multiple times, the go long trades are not so important for me because they basically just follow the index. So here I'm very optimistic that they will anyways recover or generate profits if the indices go up. So that's it. And yeah, maybe I will stream again in the next few days. It depends on how I feel. But thanks for spending a couple of minutes with me, and I hope you had good trades today, and you will have even more good trades later. Yeah, I don't know if I make a live stream tomorrow. Maybe, maybe not. I haven't decided yet. But thanks for being here. Have a good time, guys.